Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series, question number 3. If x squared plus y squared equal 2 and x squared minus y squared equal 2, then x to the 4 minus y to the 4 equal 2. So we have x to the 4 is the same thing as x squared all squared. And then y to the 4 is the same thing as y squared square. Remember, we still have a plus b multiplied by a minus b equal to a square minus b square. And if we have something like x to the power of m all to the power of n will be equal x to the power of m multiplied by n. So here we have x squared all squared is the same thing as s to the power of 4 because 2 times 2 is 4. Now we notice that if we set a equal x squared, so we have a here, and if we set b equal y squared, we'll have b right here. Also we have a right here and b right here. Okay, let me write down. If we have a equal x squared, okay, b equal y squared, we can see that if we have a squared, it's the same thing as x squared square, and b squared equal y squared square. Now, based on the first equations, we have x squared plus y squared. If we multiply by x squared minus y squared, that will be equal to x squared squared minus y squared squared. And remember, on the right hand side is what is x to the power of 4 minus y to the power of 4. And on the left hand side is the given. So we have x squared plus y squared equal 2. Okay, equal 2. And then x squared minus y squared equal 2. Then to answer the questions, the x to the power of 4 minus y to the power of 4 is equal to 2 times 2, which is 4. So the right answer is C. If you don't see it, you can follow my path right here. So we have A is x squared, B is y squared, multiplied by A minus B is equal A squared minus B squared. Which is this. Thank you for participating with me in this series. See you next time.